Welcome to UPM MOOC CAD for part construction, part drawing and assemblies. We are in Module 4 and this is our summary of this module, part drawing. In Unit 1, we have seen the first interface. Remember, you have working sheet where you are going to load your views, and we have background sheet for the title block. You have see downside different sheets. If you click right button of the mouse, you have a menu to set, for example, the size of your working sheet or your background sheet, or you can insert a sheet, rename a sheet, delete either background or working sheets. In Unit 2, we have load the views of the part. You click the command and you must choose the part you want. This is the first view. Remember, you can customize the view to load. And now, with the principal command, you can set different views from the view you have loaded from the beginning. Depending on the direction you move, Solid Edge will state the corresponding view, top view or front view, etc. Unit 3 is the cutting plane. We choose the command cutting plane. Next, you must select the view where you are going to state the cutting plane. Now you are in the command, we are drawing the cutting plane. Remember, it must be correctly drawn. And close. Now we select the viewing direction. And finally, command section, you choose the plane. You drag, and here you have the view. Remember, you must click the right button of the mouse, properties, to change different things. For example, the word corte, and change the line type of the cutting plane, which must be thick thin according to standards. Unit 4 is broken out section. We choose the command. We state the view to indicate the broken out section. You surround the section. Be careful, it must be perfectly closed, and then close the command. We state the depth for the broken out section, and we click on the view. And here you have your broken out section. How can we undo? You can click the right button of the mouse, state to show the profile of your broken out section, and delete. Don't worry, you are not going to delete the view. You are going to delete just the broken out section. And now you have to update. Remember, the gray rectangle around a view means you have to update the view. Center line, center mark, and bold hole circle. Center line, center mark for the holes, and bold hole circle. It is important. You need to draw these lines so the drawing of the views are correctly done, and you will need them also to dimension some elements of the views. Finally, Unit 6 is the dimensioning. The commands are similar to the ones we have used in the sketch to construct our 3D part. This is the end of our summary of Module 4. We will be waiting for you in Module 5.